Fruit tea recipe making tutorial sample, strawberry bubble tea. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share a fun tutorial on how to make fruit bubble tea. We'll be using strawberry fruit tea as our case study for you to follow along. Simple steps to make fruit bubble tea. 1. Add boba and pearls. Start by placing the boba and tapioca pearls into your cup. 2. Mix in lemon juice and syrup. Pour in the lemon juice and syrup to add flavor. 3. Add ice cubes. Fill the cup with ice cubes to keep your drink nice and cool. 4. Pour in brewed tea. Carefully pour the brewed tea over the ice. 5. Top with cheese foam. Finish by adding cheese foam on top of the fruit tea. 6. Garnish. Add any additional decorations or toppings as desired. Ingredients for strawberry bubble tea: 25 grams strawberry popping boba, 25 grams strawberry coconut jelly, 16 grams brown sugar tapioca pearls, optional, 10 milliliters lemon juice, 15 milliliters caramel syrup, 200 to 250 milliliters jasmine green tea or Yashixiang oolong tea, a little cheese foam. 4 pcs fresh strawberries, optional. Steps to make. 1. Gather your ingredients, make sure you have everything ready. Wash and cut the strawberries in half. 2. Add popping boba and jelly. Begin by adding 25 grams of strawberry popping boba and 25 grams of strawberry coconut jelly to your cup for a fun texture. 3. Optional brown sugar tapioca pearls. If desired, you can add 16 grams of brown sugar pearls for extra sweetness. This step is optional. 4. Add lemon juice. Pour in 10 milliliters of lemon juice to give your drink a refreshing zing. 5. Strawberry touch. You can also add some strawberry jam or 6 halves of fresh strawberries to enhance the fruity flavor. 6. Pour in caramel syrup. Next, add 15 milliliters of caramel syrup for a rich, sweet taste. 7. Ice it up. Add about 25 ice cubes to keep your drink chilled. 8. Brew the tea. Finally, use 350 milliliters boiling water to brew 1 tea bag of jasmine green tea or Yashixiang oolong tea, and pour in 200 to 250 milliliters of jasmine green tea or Yashixiang oolong tea and stir everything together. 9. Top with cheese foam. Use a small spoon to gently add some cheese foam on top. Be careful not to let it sink. 10. Garnish with strawberries. Finish off by placing 3 slices of strawberry on top for a beautiful presentation. And there you have it. Your strawberry fruit tea is ready for you to enjoy. This is just one way to make fruit tea, and we hope this example inspires you to create your own delicious drinks. Give this refreshing and sweet drink a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty drink recipes. We'd love for you to join our channel. If you're interested in purchasing bubble tea and related products, be sure to check out our website at www.AdmirinGazeLand.com.